Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to archive and unarchive Facebook message in Google Chrome. Open any browser, then visit facebook.com. Click message icon. Click this icon. I will now archive. Click this icon. Select archive. Check to hide the message from your main inbox. How to unarchive message. Click the three dot in Facebook Messenger chat window. Select archive chat. You want to unarchive and response to react to it to return in your main inbox. Click the three dot in Facebook Messenger chat window. Then select unarchive chat. Click on the message you want to unarchive to response to react to it the return it to your main inbox. Thanks for watching.